Now, the course overview I often refer to as coming attractions, and if you'll notice in the bottom right hand corner there is a number, and that number will always coordinate with the course material that you have in a PDF file. Now, some of you took that PDF course material and you printed it. You want to take notes, highlight. That's what I always like to do. Some of you also have taken it and put it on a second computer screen. The point is, I'm going to try to keep everybody on the same page, and reference, or the number on the bottom of your PowerPoint screen will always reference the course material. In the course material, there is a lot more detailed information than I would ever be able to include in the computer screen. So the course overview, as I mentioned, I always refer to as coming attractions. We're going to go through a brief introduction in terms of risk management and the risk management techniques, but then we're going to get into what I've called Here Comes the Bride. And it's going to be 12 different scenarios that could happen in terms of a wedding. You may actually call this, after the webinar is over, the wedding from hell. I learned a long time ago the best way to learn is through stories, examples. So what we'll do is we'll look at the contractual language, we'll look at the policy, and then we'll apply it in a real life story. I've also learned along the way in presenting seminars and webinars, the weirder the example, the more absurd it is, the better everybody remembers it. So obviously a lot of these are absolutely crazy, but the problem is in the real world, they've all actually happened. So we'll look at Here Comes the Bride. We'll also look at the anniversary party in terms of what could go wrong at an anniversary. And the last one, we'll wrap this up with the birthday party and the roller rink. So that's going to be coming attraction.